Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. If you're watching for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, please support and subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel. Now let's begin our yummy show that features Masala Rice. Masala rice is a one-pot meal that can be prepared fresh or with leftover cooked rice that is paired with dry spice powders and any vegetables of your choice that can be flavored with subtle taste in every bite. Let's see step by step of how to prepare masala rice with leftover cooked white rice. Firstly, let's prep work the vegetables. Finely chop 2 garlic pods, slit 5 green chilies lengthwise, 2 dry red chilies broken, 1 medium onion sliced, half cup sweet corn, 2 carrots cut into rounds. Thoroughly rinse and chop coriander leaves finely. Keep all these chopped vegetables aside. Now, warm the leftover rice for soft texture. Do not directly add leftover rice that is cold. Always warm before making any recipe. Now that we have our leftover rice that is warm, set a deep skillet on medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons oil. When oil reaches to desired hot temperature, add chopped garlic, slit green chilies and dry red chilies. Saute on medium-high heat for 20 seconds. Then add sliced onions and saute for 40 seconds. When onions turn translucent, add sweet corn, carrots and cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and stir until rawness disappears. Now add 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder and mix well. Add salt as per taste and mix with the veggies. After 2 minutes, add leftover cooked rice and combine well until all the spices and veggies are mixed thoroughly with the cooked rice. Finish with some fresh coriander leaves, toss with the rice well and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame and our masala rice is ready. Serve hot. Please like this masala rice recipe video, comment your valuable feedback and do share this masala rice recipe with your loved ones. Kindly subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel and click the bell icon for latest video notifications. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments. Thank you.